Ciao, cocktail lovers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Italian spirits with a true icon, Campari. But wait, because we'll be uncovering some intriguing unknown facts about this renowned Italian liqueur. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Campari is an Italian bitter liqueur that has a distinctive vibrant red color. Its recipe is a closely guarded secret, known only to a select few. The exact combination of herbs, spices, and fruits used in Campari gives it a unique and complex flavor profile. Fact number 2. Campari is celebrated for its role in the iconic Italian cocktail, the Negroni. This timeless drink, made with equal parts Campari, gin, and sweet vermouth, has become a symbol of Italian aperitivo culture. The Negroni's bittersweet taste and striking red hue owe their magic to the inclusion of Campari. Fact number 3. Campari has a rich history that dates back to the 19th century. It was invented by Gaspar Campari in Novara, Italy, and quickly gained popularity as a refreshing aperitif. Today, Campari is enjoyed not only in classic cocktails but also in innovative mixology creations that showcase its versatility. Fact number 4. Beyond its bitter flavor, Campari has a unique and captivating aroma that adds depth to cocktails. Its combination of botanicals and spices offers a delightful sensory experience that sets it apart from other spirits. Exploring Campari-based cocktails allows you to unlock the full potential of this beloved Italian liqueur. That's a wrap, amici. We hope you enjoyed discovering these intriguing unknown facts about Campari. Whether you're a fan of the classic Negroni or eager to experiment with Campari in your own mixology adventures, this iconic Italian liqueur invites you to savor the bitter, vibrant flavors that have captivated enthusiasts for generations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow cocktail enthusiasts. Until next time, salute with a glass of Campari.